The humble cucumber. A daily dose of goodness. In the hustle and bustle of our daily routines, we often overlook the simple yet powerful foods that can significantly impact our well-being. One such unsung hero is the cucumber, a crisp, refreshing vegetable packed with hydration and a surprising array of benefits. More than just a salad staple, the cucumber boasts versatility that extends from the kitchen to our self-care rituals. Let's explore the many ways this humble fruit, yes, botanically it's a fruit, can enhance our daily lives. Hydration hero. At its core, the cucumber is a hydration powerhouse. Composed of approximately 96% water, it's an excellent way to replenish fluids, especially during warm weather or after exercise. Simply slicing cucumbers into your water not only adds a refreshing flavor, but also encourages you to drink more, supporting vital bodily functions. Nutritional nuggets. Don't let its high water content fool you. Cucumbers are also a source of essential nutrients. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that supports our immune system. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while magnesium and manganese are involved in numerous enzymatic reactions. Incorporating cucumbers into your daily meals, whether in salads, sandwiches, or as a simple side, contributes to your overall nutrient intake. Digestive delight. The fiber content in cucumbers, though modest, aids in digestion and promotes regularity. Additionally, cucumbers contain compounds that may have a soothing effect on the digestive tract. Skin savior. For centuries, cucumbers have been recognized for their skin-loving properties. Their high water content and cooling effect can help soothe puffy eyes and reduce dark circles. The presence of antioxidants contributes to a healthy glow. Blended cucumbers can be used in homemade face masks to hydrate and revitalize the skin. Their mild astringent properties can also help tighten pores. Weight management. If you're mindful of your weight, cucumbers can be a valuable addition to your diet. Low in calories and high in water and fiber, they promote a feeling of fullness, helping to curb overeating. Their refreshing taste can also be a satisfying alternative to sugary snacks. Natural detoxifier. While our bodies have their own efficient detoxification systems, cucumbers can lend a helping hand. Their diuretic properties can help increase urine production, aiding in the elimination of waste products and toxins from the body. Culinary canvas. Beyond their health benefits, cucumbers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Montage of different cucumber dishes, salads, sandwiches, gazpacho, pickles, raita. From refreshing summer salads and crunchy sandwich fillings to cooling gazpacho and flavorful pickles, cucumbers can be enjoyed in countless ways. They also form the base for dips like tzatziki and raita, adding a light and refreshing touch. Soothing sunburn relief. The cooling and anti-inflammatory properties of cucumbers can provide relief from mild sunburn. Applying chilled cucumber slices or a paste of blended cucumber to affected areas can help soothe the burning sensation and reduce redness. Narrator. Need a quick breath freshener? A slice of cucumber can do the trick. The phytochemicals in cucumbers can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. So, the next time you're looking for a refreshing snack, a hydrating boost, or a natural way to enhance your well-being, reach for a cucumber. This seemingly simple fruit offers a wealth of benefits that can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant daily life. The humble cucumber. Your body will thank you for it.